Today I'm going to be checking out this trailer wiring kit here. This is the main wires. It's a flat 4, and I do need to wire this trailer up. Now I was sent these at no cost so I could do the review, but I'm going to go ahead and get these things out of the box, let you see what it comes with, and then I'm going to start wiring up this trailer that needs trailer wiring. All right, so in the box it does come with the wiring harness here. Here's the flat 4. This is the each side of the wire, and then this white one here is the ground wire. You ground it to your trailer. It comes with this manual here showing you how to set all that up, and it comes with this little baggie here that has some cable connectors and some zip ties to get it all put through your trailer. So I'm going to start wiring it in now. All right, and that was very easy. Got it all wired into the trailer. I have a hole right here that I just made a little larger so that we go through the frame, and that bolt is where the ground is on the inside. So it fit perfect. It gives me a good long amount of this harness, of this wiring harness sticking out the front of the trailer. So it's going to be more than enough to reach the plug. And then it just goes along the frame great. I love the fact that it's all covered like that and it's protected all the way to the back. So yeah, really like it. I mean, it even has this little end cover here so that you don't get dirt and stuff inside the prongs. I am going to put a little bit of wire harness cover on this so it goes down and has a nice little wiring harness cover over it, but other than that, it's just the way I want it. All right, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.